Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day 18 of our 41 day sacred healing journey. If you are new here, I gently encourage you to begin from day 1. This journey is designed step by step to help to release addictions, clear emotional blockages through EFT, and rebuild your inner strength. And if you have been walking with us, I honor your commitment and God bless you. So I hope you have completed today's EFT. If you have not completed, please complete it as it will remove emotional blockages. So if you are ready, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Gently raise your head up. Look top of your roof. Slowly close your eyes. Observing your breath. Sit most comfortable way you can. There is no music in this meditation as this focus on your breathing and concentrate on your heartbeat. So focus on your breathing and observe your heartbeat. See if you find any sensation in your body that is okay. Just observe those sensations. Now, in this stillness, let us invite our Guru, Paramaguru, and Parameshti Guru as we completely surrender to them. And I invite Mother Goddess Sarveswari as she completely protects us. As they both are here, I request Mother Sarveswari to keep a protective shield around us, a beautiful golden shield around us. This creates protection to us. I now invite Lord Ganesha to connect our soul to Divine Supreme Soul. As he connected our soul to Divine Supreme Soul, we completely, totally surrender to Lord Ganesha. In this state, let us invite our Divine Masters and Divine Angels who help us to raise our vibrations and reach our Divine Soul. Keep your eyes closed. Now, let us set the intention. Bring into your awareness the issue you would like to heal. Bringing to your awareness the issue you would like to heal. especially that is raised due to these addictions. Sometimes it might be bothering with you as a physically, emotionally, or relationship, or financially, or spiritually, or everything. Bring that awareness to that issue that you would like to heal. Once that issue is there to heal, do not judge, just acknowledge. Do not judge, just acknowledge the issue. Say it, whisper it to yourself. I'm sorry for everything that is happening for me right now. I'm sorry for everything that is happening to me for right now. I'm sorry for everything that is happening for me right now. I take 100% responsibility to this. I take 100% responsibility to clean this issue. I take 100% responsibility to heal this issue. You can say it to yourself. I take 100% responsibility to heal this issue. When you're saying observe your breath, don't worry, you're completely protected by Divine Mother. You're completely protected by Divine Mother and you're healed by Divine Gurus. Just have a trust. Say it one more time. I take 100% responsibility for everything that is happening in my life. I take 100% responsibility for everything that is happening in my life. I take 100% responsibility for everything that is happening in my life. And now it is my responsibility to clean and clear everything that is causing by this issue, especially these addictions. Now it is my responsibility to clean and clear everything that is causing this issue, especially the addictions. And now take my responsibility to clean and clear everything that is causing this addiction. I'm so sorry for my thoughts. I'm so sorry for my thoughts. I'm so sorry for my feelings. I'm so sorry for my thoughts. I'm so sorry for my feelings. I'm so sorry for my feelings. I'm so sorry for my actions. I'm so sorry for my actions in the life, in this life, or in any past lives. Either that is coming from this life or from my past life. I'm so sorry for my thoughts, my feelings, my actions. Either they are coming from this life or from my past life. I'm letting go all accumulated memories. My dear inner child, Please let go all the accumulated memories. I'm not sure how these addictions came into my life. I'm sorry for any unseen influences that I have created. I have so sorry for any earthbound energies. I'm so sorry for any ancestral patterns. My dear inner child, my dear subconscious mind, please let go all the accumulated memories. Please let go all the accumulated memories. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, my dear divine, for any family members' deeds and thoughts that are creating this current patterns of addictions. I'm sorry for my family members' deeds and thoughts that created my patterns of addictions. I'm sorry for my relative thoughts and deeds and actions. I'm so sorry for my relatives' thoughts, deeds, and actions. I'm sorry, my dear divine, for my ancestor deeds, thoughts, and actions. I'm sorry, my dear divine, for my ancestor deeds, thoughts, and actions. And I'm so sorry for all the negative energies stored within me that are replaying as this addictions. I'm sorry for all the negative energies that are stored within me that are replaying as this issue. Please forgive me. And if you are willing, please let go all the accumulated memories. Please forgive me, my dear divine. And if you are willing, please let go all the accumulated memories. My dear divine, if you are willing, please let go all the accumulated memories. My dear divine, please forgive me. And if you are willing, please let go all accumulated memories. Release every imprint. Release every distortion. Release every karmic echo. Release every imprint that is causing this issue. Release every distortion. Release every karmic issue. Release every imprint. Release every distortion. Release every karmic echo. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Divine. Thank you, Divine. It is done. It is done. It is done. I love you, Divine. I love myself. I love you, Divine. I love myself. I love you, Divine. I love myself. Now, gently close your eyes in this stillness. See, you are completely healed in this divine protection shield. You are completely healed in this divine protection shield. See, your family is cleansed. Your ancestors are cleansed. Your friends are cleansed. Everyone that you are acquainted are cleansed and cleaned in this divine light. Close your eyes. Don't open your eyes. I will say 7 times Om Namah Shivaya. Be in that bliss. When I say Om, inhale, Namah Shivaya, exhale. Om Namah Shivaya. Next time I'll pause between Om and Namah Shivaya. Om 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 Namah Shivaya. Be there in that stillness and visualize your future self happy and healthy. Observe your breathing. Don't open your eyes. Last 30 seconds. Slowly and gradually come back to your awareness on count of 1 to 5. 1, come back to your awareness. 2, come back to your awareness completely. 3, come back to your awareness. 4, rub your palms without opening your eyes. 5, put your palms on your face. Gently massage. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you tomorrow on day 19. Thank you.